for today's video, hahayaan natin yung AI na maglaro ng bunny. Okay, tingnan natin kung marunong maglaro ng... Ha? Titingnan natin kung maalam ba maglaro ng... Basta. Yun na yun. Ewan ko. Just wait a minute. Yan. Okay. Magbabas ka akin. Tingnan mo naman ito boy. Ano yan? Wala pa kang ito niya. Hey, hindi pala ako nagko-control.
Step, circle, swing, request, back. Attack the Lord.
Tingnan natin kung marunong siya, diba? My goodness. That's how I feel. Ngayon ako paano ako maglaro eh. Ngayon ako maglaro ng pani. Bano, okay.
Where are you looking? I am here.
My goodness, ba't ka pumunta dyan boy? Subong patay.
You have been slain.
Oh.
Our turret is under attack.
So kung sige siya, hindi ko ginagalaw yun ah. Hindi ginagalaw Joyce ko.
Destroyed.
Mr.
Launch
DIY.
attack.
Ah, Mr. DIY.
Okay. I will fight alongside you, brother.
Oh!
An
Ano
enemy
siya?
has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Buong patay na to guys. KS. Ay, KS pa nga eh. Di pa naman pa may galaw to. May galaw to.
An enemy has been slain.
May galaw to boy. Ang galing. Kahit wala pa siya napapatay.
Brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Dahil na gawin ano, red ba? Ito.
Some birds are never meant to be caged.
Oh, galing. Yan o. Galing si Boy. Di ko alam eh.
An enemy has been slain.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Don't mind me, just a little birdie passing by.
Oh! Ba't ito yun?
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been
Oh, wow.
slain.
Ang galing. Ako pa ba to? AI pa ba to?
You know what?
AI pa ba to?
Team destroyed the turret.
Wow, galing naman ito.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Step,
Ang galing.
circle,
Ano
swing.
naman
Push first.
Kasi guys, walang tulong kalaban eh. Halos lahat
Beware of the ambush.
wala.
You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow.
Yan.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Guys, ano itong second brother?
Don't dress in a gown for the close combat. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Any place is within reach for me.
Ow! Ang hirap naman gamitin ito dito, boy. Ayan, takbo! Ah, shit. Ayan, patay.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
GG. Good game, boy. Ang galing ng AI.
Initiate retreat.
Nako. Ano yun?
Okay. Our base is under attack.
Some
An
birds
enemy
are
has
never
been
meant to be
slain.
Okay, okay.
An enemy has been slain.
superb tanking.
Aray ko, sakit. Sakit, sakit na sakit, boy. Di pa kami nagano. Wala pa ako sa
Step, circle, swing.
An enemy has been slain.
Darn it! I went a bit too
Ay,
far.
wala. Ay. What the hell? Practice, practice, practice.
I'm planning on a surprise attack.
Aray mo.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been
Aray
slain.
mo. Kiyas ako eh. Kiyas ako eh. Kiyas ako.
You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow.
Is not ready. Your
Okay,
team
darn it!
destroyed
I
the
went a bit
turret.
too far. You don't work? Not my thing. Darn it! I went a bit too
Oh.
far. My brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Oh my god. Pinagpipindot ko na lang yun, guys. Hindi na nabot.
Ally has been slain.
Boom! Bagay! Boom! Patay!
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Super.
Ally has been
Mamatay
slain.
pa nga. Madami pa yung Leslie.
Enemy double kill.
Oh my god, Nick, bro. Oh my god.
Lucky, I am here. Darn it!
Exposed. Turret has been destroyed.
Ano yun?
Under attack.
Dipit. Dipot na. Dipot na talaga. Dipot. Surrender
Birth
na.
control.
No!
Been slain.
Hindi pa pala dipit yun.
Don't dress in a gown for the close combat.
Patay!
Feels heavy.
Ano? Nabol taksi. Boom, tapul. Ay wow, pinotektahan. Ay wow. What the fuck? The flick. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man. Patay,
Any place is within reach
bagal.
for me.
Ay, wala yun yung buga. Lagyan na kang bowling yun. Pwede mo
Don't mind
masasaktan
me, just
din.
a little birdie passing by.
Kala mo ay kayo na, pero hindi pa pala. Nagustuhan ka lang niya kasi madami kang pera. Gusto niya lang ay mailibre ka na at mabilisan mo siya ng madaming pagkain or jewelry. Sa pagiging kapatuloyan talaga. Pag kayo napalinab sa babae na hindi kayo mahal, malay nyo,
My brother and I
may
will
meron
shoulder the
kayo
family
pa,
glory.
mag-is ka lang. Yun lang talaga. Yun lang. Yun lang. Wala yun. Sasalita lang ako dun. Hindi yung breakdown na yun yung breakdown.
Don't mind birdie passing
Fuck,
by.
what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Bigyan ko si Usin Boy. Don't worry. Don't worry naman kayo guys. Ang dami naman ng put. Put. Wala.
Tanking.
I did expect. Huh?
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Bigla akong gumaling ah. Nung yung AI na yun.
Request backup.
Ah! Si Manny Pacquiao. Si Pacquiao yan.
Needle work? Not my thing.
Paano mag-dip ka?
Looking, and I am here. You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow.
Touch my shadow. Dal ko diba? Oh! Hirap mag-control. Ang hirap mag-control. Boom. Mangsay.
Yep, circle, swing.
Boom, pakalata. Magadness, bro. Hindi ko na kanyang pala. Magadness. Ah, what is that? What is that? What did I say? 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 Una na matakpo lang yung... Ano na pinagsasabi ko? Ang bot sa iyo mo, dari naman ko natukas eh. Defeat! Dami naman yun. Ba tayo pa naman tapusin guys? Ano ba yan? Yan na, tapos na. Tapos ang kaligayahan. Hindi pala. Depot. Spider-Man to eh.
Sir, what's your
Spider-Woman.
command?
Ayun, Spider-Woman. May laro! Ayun nga pala. Kinyong kill me boy. Tingnan mo naman yung beses ka naman. Diba? Report niyo yung paano. Na-report ko na yun. Tan. Asukan si guys. Pick pa din ako. Diba? Ang bigat kasi ng kakampi ko. Sila na nga binubuhat. Sila pa nagagalit. Diba? Mga kainis. Diba? Ito. Then, saan ba? Ano ba yun? Ito baga iyon. Hindi. Dito. Hindi yan. Hindi. Dito. Hindi. Ano ba ito ilalagay? Ito. Dito. Hindi. Dito. Ano ka na? Okay. you guys. Bye bye. Screenshot. Share screenshot. Oh. Bye bye.